you need a helping hand, and nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Pikit mo lang ang iyong mata, at ako ay nandyan na to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, nandyan ka agad to see you again. Tag-araw, matag, ulan, ay di kita maaring iwan, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. Kung ang ulap mo'y dumidilim, tumawag lang sa'kin. Alam mo naman ang number ng cellphone ko. At kung busy pa rin ito, doon na lang sa beeper ko. Aasahan ko lagi ang tawag mo. Tawagin lang ang pangalan, at ako'y parang Superman, nandyan kaagad to see you again. Tag-araw, matag, ulan, ay di kita maaring iwan, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. Narito ako sa iyong tabi, huwag kang mahihiyang magsabi. Problema ay kayang-kaya, kahit lindol o bagyo, tayo'y magkasama. Tawagin lang ang pangalan, at ako'y parang Superman, nandyan kaagad. Sang tawag mo lang, oh babe, alam mo ba na tag-araw, matag, ulan, ay di kita maaring iwan, and I'll be there, yes I will. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Ain't it good?
Welcome back to the Phil Sports Arena para sa ating halftime show. Yan po si Marlon. Pikit yun lang yung mga mata ninyo. Biglang iisip nyo, nananagalog pala si James Taylor. Ano? Chikiro pa rin po kasama si Dong Alihar at ang aming special guest for the half, si Ricardo Cepeda. Magandang gabi, sir.
Oh, magandang gabi nga. Excited, ang galing ng Marlon.
Can we call you James?
James.
Eto po, ang album ni Marlon. Kung mahilig kayo kay James Taylor, nako, talaga namang eksaktong-eksakto yung boses. Idol mo ba talaga si JT?
Yes.
And I understand from very reliable sources, hindi lang si James Taylor ang nagagaya mo.
Well, marami.
Like who? Ikaw naman masyado kang humble eh. Like who, Marlon?
Well, like Don McLean or John Denver, all this folk, minsan nakakapag-Johnny Mathis din.
Wow.
All right, tell us a little bit about the contents of this album. Tell us a little bit about the songs in this album. Are they all original or puro mga
Dalawa lang dito yung adaptation. Another song from James Taylor which was Wandering is Paglalakbay. And the rest are all originals, like Stay and the...
All right.
I wanna ask you, bakit tong two particular songs ni James Taylor ang linocalize mo? Marami namang magandang kanta to si James Taylor. Bakit tong Wandering at saka tong You've Got a Friend?
Well, I love the song so much, especially You've Got a Friend. And Wandering is dun na bagay kasi yung Tagalog lyrics ko because it tells about my life and travels and
So you wrote the lyrics for this song?
for paglalakbay. Yes.
All right.
Wow.
And Marlon, for those who want to catch you live, is there anywhere they can go to see you?
Well, I'll be at SM Bacoor, Cavite tomorrow. And on Sunday, I'll be at SM Fairview. Yes.
All right, that's great to get. That's where you can catch Marlon. Pero better yet, kunin nyo na lang yung album. A lot of great songs in here from a man with a great voice and great musicality.
Very,
Thank you very
wide range.
much.